Hi everyone, welcome to WhyBuy. Today we're going to be making a pizza on a Green Mountain Grill pellet smoker. So what's become really popular these days is homemade pizza ovens. My dad actually bought one, and we've gone over a couple times to have the pizza. Fun experience, it's great. Bring the family together, make all the pizzas. The issue is that sometimes he's not very good at cooking the pizzas on there. They've turned out either burnt or too not cooked enough. Sorry, Dad. But I decided that, I wanted to try to make this myself, and I thought the experience was really great. So I purchased the pizza oven attachment for the Green Mountain Grill. So I'd looked at a few pizza ovens. There are a couple of ones that are out there that are about $400 to $500 for them. It depends on the size and of the pizza oven you want to get. What I liked about this pizza oven for the Green Mountain Grill is that it actually is included within the grill. So the price is actually well out there. It's only $150 is what I paid, and it is actually part of the grill. So you can just remove the interior drip pan and heat deflection shield and just install the pizza oven part in there. There's no need for an extra pizza oven, another propane tank, a bunch of extra things that you need there. It's all part of the same unit. So the way the Green Mountain Grill pizza oven works is really simple. The pizza oven just attaches to the fire pit. It has a nice heat retention shield that comes up, and it cooks once the pizza stone is up to the proper temperature, you're going to be cooking your pizza in about 2 or 3 minutes tops. So the benefits of cooking with the pizza oven here is that you can cook a fairly large pizza on there, about an 18-inch pizza or so. And that the heat, it cooks so fast because it basically circulates and retains the heat within the smoker. It's such a small enclosure that it just works great. It's so fast. So the first thing I do is I preheat the smoker up to the right temperature. And while it's warming up, I prep all the ingredients, get the pizzas ready. And when they're ready, when the smoker's ready to go, then I put the pizzas in the oven, and it only takes about 2 minutes. So the pizza oven comes with an instruction manual with detailed instructions on the proper temperature to set your smoker at to cook your pizzas properly. And in this case, it's 300 degrees Fahrenheit. Today, for a little bit of fun, I invited a friend over, and I asked him to pick up a little pizza on the way over. And I'm going to see if I can outcook him. And just so I'm not biased, we're going to both vote on whose pizza was the best. So the great thing about making pizza at home is that everyone who wants to have their pizza their way can make it their way. How many times have you gone into a group and everyone's, well, I want this, or I want this kind of pizza, and nobody really you end up with a variety, but nobody can really pick what exactly they want. The great thing about having a pizza oven at home is everyone can custom make their own pizza. You can make it the way you want. You want extra meat? You put it on there. You want extra cheese? Put it on there. You want something like anchovies and pineapple? Well, fair enough. Put it on there. You can either buy the pre-made pizza doughs, or there's just the pizza dough yourself and make the crust. But it's actually quite easy. Just cut up a couple of meats, slice a little bit of cheese, add a little sauce. Within a few minutes, you have your pizza that's ready to go into the grill and to the oven. So today I'm just going to be making a simple pizza just with a little calabrese and salami and a little mozzarella and tomato sauce. But I want to make sure with the pizza oven that I can get that crust, just store-bought crust, but I'm going to get that crust right to the perfect crispiness level and just to the right temperature so that the pizza just melts in your mouth. So today in the taste test, we had the store-bought pizza. A little dry.
It was all right.
It's just pretty bland.
Pretty bland. Use some more sauce.
But compared to the homemade one, 9 times out of 10, I'm going to take this one. 10 out of 10.
10 times out of 10, I'm choosing that pizza.
20 out of 10, I'm taking this one.
2 times out of 10.
Real juicy. There's extra sauce, lots of meat on there, and just the right amount of cheese. So obviously the pizza oven was the winner. So I got pretty lucky when I was shopping for the Green Mountain Grill, and I found that the pizza oven was only $150 for the attachment. I mean, some of the pizza ovens out there are $400 or $500. And so if you're shopping for a grill or a smoker here, I mean, it's good to look at the accessories that are included, because you can get an all-in-one package and for a really good price. So the good thing about making the pizza at home is that everyone is included in the preparation of the meal. So when everyone is around the table kind of making their pizza their way, everyone's included in it, and it really brings family time together. So you can have friends and family over, and everyone gets to kind of custom make their pizza, and you throw it in the oven and all enjoy it at the same time. My favorite thing about the smoker is that it is a social thing. It's great to be on the grill with a bunch of people hanging around and chatting. And having the pizza attachment, it just makes it so much more of a social environment. And it's fun when you get the whole family involved. So if you thought this video was helpful, please like and subscribe, show your support, and thank you for watching. On my oh no! On a Green Mountain Grill smoker. And is it better than is it better than WhyBuy, I was going to say. If you like this video, smash that button. And my dad purchased one. And, no, Charlie. Here. I'll put him inside. Come on. Because he'll bark. There's probably a bear out there, that's why.
Don't forget the camera guy. Dig in, everybody. Oh, you can. I'll grab a few shots of you tasting it.
These chairs are so funny because they're so low down. Today we're going to be making a pizza on a Green Mountain Grill pellet smoker.
Going for the sincerity. And action. If you thought that, if you thought this video
This was in the bloopers, I'm sure, right?
Oh yeah.
Right? Actually, I got to wipe it down anyways, just to get rid of the thing. But so you have the lid, and then this sits down on right into the hopper, and then this goes on top like that. The lid goes on top, and then basically just you cook your pizza.
Does this come off?
Yeah, it can.
Oh, nice. So easy to clean too.
Yeah.
Oh, look at that.
So I can actually probably give that a clean while we're here if you want.
Yeah, little bonus footage for the grill.
So we're just gonna be cleaning the stone here. Do you need me to talk, or is it just?
Oh yeah, go for it if you want to. Yeah.
Okay. Just a simple way to clean the pizza stone is just some water and just to wipe it off. Some more water on there. In fact, I think this has made it worse.
All right, go ahead.
So just gonna wipe down. This pizza oven attachment has been out in a little bit of pollen, so we're just gonna give it a little bit of sprinkle water and clean the outside just to keep it up to par. This lid here comes off easily, as you can see, and then we have the base where we'll just give it a bit of a clean as well. And then we'll be ready to go. then the stone just goes back on. And then we'll put this back into the smoker.